it is not premature or speculative. Anything that is done outside the Constitution and the law warrants the intervention of the court at whatever level of the process. And this court, as the authority, that pending the hearing and termination of this petition, a conservative order is hereby issued forbidding and or preventing the gazettement, taking of oath, or assuming of office by the interested parties, namely Erastus Edung Ebekon, Anne Jering Deritu, Moses Altara Mkwana, Mary Karen Sorobit, Hassan Nur Hassan, Francis Odiabo Oduol, Fahima Harvat Abdara, or any other person or persons as the chairman or commissioners of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. For avoidance of doubt, the vetting and approval process in the National Assembly may proceed but subject to this order. B. This file is hereby forwarded to the Chief Justice for empowerment of an even number of judges to hear and determine the petition pursuant to the provisions of Article 165(4) of the Constitution. Cause shall be in the cause. So that